Good morning, students. In the last class, we have solved some problem based on Pythagoras theorem and its application. In today's class, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles right angle at C. Isosceles right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle at C. We have to note down right angle at C means this is C, A, B. Right angle at C. Isosceles. What is the meaning of an isosceles triangle? Isosceles means a type of triangle in which two sides are equal. It means to say that AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. Isosceles triangle. In a right angle triangle, ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Applying the Pythagoras, AB squared is equal to AC square plus BC square. Applying the Pythagoras, these are all very simple question. Only simple application. AB squared is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square as it is, AC square as it is. What is BC? BC is equal to AC because it is an isosceles right angle. Isosceles means two sides are equal. BC is equal to AC. Substitute BC is equal to AC. This becomes in the place of BC. BC is equal to AC. AB squared is equal to AC square 1AC square 1AC square, that is equal to 2AC square. We have proved this problem. ABC is an isosceles right angle at C. Prove that AB squared is equal to 2AC square. In triangle ABC, you write here, in right angle triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. Because it is an isosceles right angle at C. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Applying the Pythagoras, AB squared is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB squared is equal to AC square as it is. What is BC? BC is equal to AC. Substitute BC is equal to AC. 1AC plus 1AC. AB squared is equal to 2AC square. Next problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. If AB squared is equal to 2AC square, prove that ABC is a right angle. Prove that ABC is a right angle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. A, B, C. AC is equal to BC. Prove that is equal to 2ac square. Data, this is given. AB square is equal to 2ac square. AB square is equal to 2ac square can be written as ac square plus ac square. AB square can be written as AC, 2AC square can be written as AC square, 1AC square plus 1AC square, 1 plus 1 2AC square. AB square is equal to, put this AC square as it is. What is AC? AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. Therefore, AB square, this is AB square, is equal to AC square plus BC square. Square on the longest side of the triangle is equal to sum of the squares on other two sides. Then those two sides containing the rectangle. Square on the longest side, AB is the longest side, is equal to sum of the squares on other two sides. AC square plus BC square. Those two sides containing the rectangle. Therefore, according to converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AC is equal to BC. Given AB square is equal to AC square, prove that ABC is a rectangle. AB square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to 1AC square. 2AC square can be written as 1AC square plus 1AC square. But AB square, AC square, what is AC? BC. Because it is an isosceles triangle, AC is in place of AC substitute BC. AC square plus BC square. Square on the longest side of the triangle is equal to sum of the squares on other two sides. Those two sides containing the rectangle. Angle C is the side opposite the rectangle. Hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Angle is 90 degree. C 90 degree. ABC is a rectangle. Next we will pass on to some more problem. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. Find each of its altitude. I think this is already done. I want to do it once again. Equilateral triangle ABC. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Each of side 2A. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the rectangle triangle. Vertex of the triangle divides the third side. The perpendicular drawn from the equilateral triangle. Vertex of an equilateral triangle bisect the third side. It means it is 90 degree. These two sides total is 2A. Each side become 2A by 2. 2A by 2. 2 to cancel. What is here? A. This is the H is the altitude. This is D. In a right angle triangle ABD, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Applying the Pythagoras, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. What is AB? 2A whole square. What is AD? H whole square. What is BD? A whole square. 2 2s are 4A square. problem. Today I am going to solve. It may be asked in 2 type or 3 type. In an equilateral triangle ABC, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, 1 by 3 BC. This is not in an equilateral triangle. This is This is also very important. This problem first I want to solve. The perpendicular from A, the perpendicular from A on side BC, on side BC of triangle ABC, of triangle ABC intersect BD at D, intersects BC at D such that BD is equal to 3CD, BD is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2 into 2AC square plus AC square. This is a very important problem, students. This question is VVI quota, very important quota problem. Take down the triangle ABC, ABC. The perpendicular from A or side BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at D, BC at D, such that BD is equal to 3CD, BD is equal to 3CD. This is BC. Intersect ABC, BD is equal to 3CD. This BD is equal to 3CD. This is BD. So, what is this? BC. BC is equal to CD plus BD. BD is equal to CD plus BD. BC is equal to CD plus, what is BD? 3CD. BC is equal to 3 plus 1, 4CD. BC can be written as CD plus BD. They have given this BD is equal to 3CD. They have given BD is equal to 3CD. BD is equal to 3CD. So BC is equal to 3CD. Okay. So what is the total? It becomes 4CD. 4 parts. Among 4 parts, this BD is, what is the total? 4 by 3 BC. This BD is total 4 by 3 of BC is BD and CD 1 by 4 of BC. Understand this point? This point is very important while doing our problems, students. So BC can be written as CD plus BD. CD plus BD. CD as it is. What is BD? BD is equal to 3CD. CD plus CD 4CD. BC. BC has how many parts? 4CD part. Among 4CD part, BD is 3 part. 4 by 3 of BC and this is 1 by 4 of BC. You have to note down this. This is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. In the right angle triangle ACD, in the right angle triangle ACD, angle D is equal to 90 degree. CD square. AC, this is the applying the Pythagoras. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square plus CD come to this side minus CD square is equal to AD square. Call it as equation number 1. Once again, in the right angle triangle ACD, angle D 90 degree, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square plus CD come to this side minus CD AD square. In the right angle triangle ADB, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Again applying the Pythagoras, AB squared is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB squared is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square plus BD come to this side minus BD square is equal to AD square. Once again, in the right angle triangle ADB, angle D 90 degree, applying the Pythagoras, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square plus BD come to this side minus BD square is equal to AD square. Call it as equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Here also RHS AD square. Here also RHS AD square. Wherever RHS are same, LHS are equal. What you are going to write? AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. AC square plus AB come to this side minus AB square. Minus CD go to that side plus CD square minus BD square. Okay. Look here. AB square minus BD square. AC square plus AB come to this side minus AB square plus minus CD come to this side minus CD square come to this side plus AB square. AC square minus AB square. What is CD square? CD is 1 by 4 BC whole square minus BD 3 by 4 BC whole square. This step is very important. BD is 4 by 3rd of BC, CD is 1 by 4th of BC. That is equal to AC square minus AB square. 1 1 ja 1, B1 BC are you right? BC square, BC into BC, BC square, 1 into BC square, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9 BC square by 16. Comparing 1 and 2. First take out this one. AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. AB square plus AC square come to this side minus AC square. Minus BD go to that side plus BD square minus CD square. AB square minus AC square. What is BD? BD is 3 by 4 BC. 3 by 4 BC whole square. What is CD? 1 by 4 BC whole square. AB square minus AC square. 9 by 16 BC square. 1 by 16 BC square. AB square minus AC square. 16 is the LCM. 9 BC square 2 into AB square 2AB square 2 into AC square 2AC square is equal to BC square. 2AB square as it is minus 2AC square come to this side plus 2AC square plus BC square. This we are proved. I want to explain it once again. The perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equal to 3CD. This BD is equal to 3CD. What is the total measurement of BC? 3CD plus 1CD, 4CD. So this BD is 4/3 of BC and CD is 1/4 of BC. In the right angle triangle ACD, angle D 90 degree, applying the Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square plus CD square come to this side minus CD square is equal to AD square. In the right angle triangle ADB, angle D 90 degree, applying the Pythagoras, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square plus BD come to this side minus BD square is equal to AD square. AB square from 1 and 2. Are you right? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Yeah, RHS is AD square. This is AD square. Coming to LHS, AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. AB square as it is plus AC come to this side minus AC minus BD square go to that side plus BD square. AB square minus AC square. What is BD? 3/4 of BC. 3/4 BC square minus 1/4 BC square. Squaring 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 BC square. 1 1 ja 1, 4 4s are 16 BC square. 16 is the LCM. 9 BC square minus 1 BC square. 9 minus 1 8 BC square by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are 2 AB square minus 2 AC square is equal to BC square. 2 AB square as it is minus 2 go to that side plus 2 AC square plus BC square. Now we will pass on to one more problem. These are all the application of Pythagoras theorem. The major application of Pythagoras theorem. Tick the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6√3, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter. The angle B is equal to dash. Option A 120 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 90 degree, option D 45 degree. Take the correct answer in triangle ABC. ABC. AB 6√3. This is 6√3. AC 12. BC 6. Which is the longer side? According to converse of Pythagoras theorem. Square on the longer side. AC square. That is called square on the longer side. 12 square is equal to sum of the squares on other two sides. 6√3 whole square plus 6 whole square. 12 12 are 144. 6 6 are 36. Root 3 into root 3 3 plus 6 6 are 36. 144 is equal to 108 plus 36. 144 is equal to 144. Square on the longest side of the triangle is equal to sum of the squares are other two sides. Those two sides containing the right angle. So this triangle become like this. 6 root 3. This is 90 degree. B 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Because angle B is 90 degree. Because square on the longest side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the squares are other two sides. Those two sides containing the right angle. Next we'll pass on to one more problem. In an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle, ABC, D is a point on side BC. D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AB squared is equal to 7AB squared. Well, students, this problem is very, very important for the examination point of view, because this is a problem in the CBSE syllabus. These problems are known as application level. So, in an equilateral triangle ABC, write out the figure. ABC is an equilateral triangle. You know, all sides are equal. Each side call it as A. Okay. D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. D 90 degree. This BD is 1 by 3rd of BC. It means to say that BD is equal to 1 by 3A. BD is equal to 1 by 3rd of BC means 1 by 3 BC, 1 by 3A. Next one is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the right angle. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the right angle divides the third side. It means to say that this is E. BE is equal to BE is equal to EC is equal to A by 2. This is A by 2. The total measurement, this is A by 2. A by 2 and A by 2. Then we want DE. This DE is equal to BE minus DE. BE minus, this is BC. BE can be, we want DE. BE minus BD. See, listen here. This is the total measurement of BE is A by 2 minus. What is BD? BD is already written A by 3. 1 by 3A means A by 3. 6 is the LCM. 2 3s are 3A minus 3 2s are 2A. 3A minus 2A, that is equal to A by 6. The measurement of DE is A by 2. These are all the steps why followed. You must try to understand this problem.